moment I see some formula, how can we convert that into code? Okay, let's move on. So we will be starting with the Python coding workshop. As I said, we will run through some slides before we start. So did you know about Python? How many of you know about Python? So Python means what comes to your mind? First thing, when you say Python, what is the first thing comes to your mind? The moment we say Python, the first thing comes to our mind is a snake. Okay, so when it comes to programmer, the first thing when you say Python, it's a programming language. Thank you very much. There is some response here. That's awesome. So this is one of the interesting programming language which will help you to make many things automated. Okay, so for that you need to start with the fundamental of learning. Okay, so yeah, let's move on. So why the Python is so popular? Because it's very easy to learn and easy to use, where you have a huge community of support. Okay, where just now when the starting of the session workshop, where the president mentioned that inspired by GitHub. Okay, the moment we say GitHub, you go to GitHub and just Google it, Python code, you will get thousands, not 100 or maybe not 1,000, also 10,000 codes you will get it, because you have a huge community where you can refer to it. And then we have a pre-built libraries. Okay, we have a pre-built libraries, especially for the mathematics. We have something called NumPy. Okay, NumPy and SciPy, so which is all commonly used. And also we have other framework. When I say framework, we call something called YOLO. Okay, what is this YOLO? And then VGGNet. So all these things are having a pre-configured. You just Google it, YOLO V8, you will get the videos. And also all these things, the backbone is Python, which is have a veracity and efficiency, reliability, and also super fast. And then it's the first choice of language by many of the first programmer, and also it's help for the automation, as I said. Okay, so we can move on to the next.